Welcome to Yin Yoga for hips and lower back to help you relieve tightness and stiffness in these areas and improve the flexibility. You don't need any yoga props for this class, just wear some comfortable clothes, maybe socks to keep your feet warm. And when you are ready to start, find a wide knee child's pose. Bring your big toes together. Take your knees wide apart, walk your hands forward and bring your forehead to the mat or release it on top of your hands or forearms. Move around to find a comfortable position. And then find stillness in this pose. Notice what you feel in the area around your hips and lower back. Soften your hips and leg muscles. Relax your belly, shoulders, arms. Soften the face. Allow your whole body to soften and become heavier, melting down towards the mat. The breath keeps flowing naturally in and out. In Yin Yoga, you don't really need to control your breath, deepen or elongate it, but sometimes it helps to focus on the breath. Imagine with inhale creating more space in your rib cage, and with exhale letting go, relaxing the whole body towards the ground. Inhale, create space. Exhale, soften. Take one more breath in child's pose. And then slowly lift the upper body. Come into seated position. Straighten your right leg out to the side. Pull your left heel towards your groin. Ground the sit bones down on the mat. Lean your torso to the right into side bend. You can support your head with your right hand. Keep your elbow on your thigh or next to the knee. Left hand can rest on your left thigh. Feel free to close your eyes. Notice from the inside what you feel in your body. Where you feel the stretch or some other sensations. Feel the contact of your lower body with the mat underneath you. Let your sit bones, legs, feet sink down into the mat. And allow the upper body to become heavier as well. Soften the lower back, area around the waist, belly. Relax shoulders, upper back, neck and head. Slowly lift your upper body back to center. Place your fingertips in front of you on the floor and walk your hands forward, bending forward between your right leg and left knee. Find a bit more stretch on your inner thighs, groin, maybe also hamstrings, the back of the legs. You can stay on your hands, lower the forearms down, maybe even support your head with your hands here. The breath still flowing naturally, or you can again focus on imagining creating space as you inhale and softening the upper body towards the mat as you exhale. Take one more breath here. And slowly make your way up to your hands, up to seated. Bring your left knee next to your right knee. Left foot close to your left sit bones, your left hip. We are targeting the front of your left thigh and hip here. You have an option to stay up, keep your hands behind you for support. If you don't feel much in this position, try coming down to your forearms. Or maybe even laying down all the way to your back. Just take it slow. Make sure your left knee feels alright in this position. We are not staying very long in this pose, but if you start feeling any pain on your knee joint, make sure to back off. Find an easier variation or just go out of the pose. Slowly make your way up. Straighten your left leg. You can shake it out if you feel any tension. Roll out the ankle. And slowly change sides. Straighten your left leg out to the side. Pull your right heel towards the groin. Ground the sit bones on the mat. And lean to your left leg. Relax your right hand on your right thigh. Maybe support your head with your left hand. Move around until you find the position where you feel some stretch and where you can stay comfortably for a few moments. And stay still there. Watch your breath moving in and out. Observe what's happening in your body as you stay here. Slowly lift the upper body back to center. Place your fingertips down in front of you and walk your hands forward, staying on your hands or forearms. You can keep your head lifted or allow your head to hang heavy if that feels good on your neck. Another option is to support your head with your hands. Keep the elbows down. There are lots of variations in this position. Try to listen to your body and intuitively find what works best for you. Take one more breath here. And slowly make your way up. Bring your right knee forward next to your left knee. Take your time to adjust. Notice how this pose feels on this side. Stay on your hands, or if you feel your body soften and release, lower down to the forearms slowly. Maybe lay down on the back this time, but be gentle to your body. Keep listening to the signals that your body is sending you. It's okay to feel a deep stretch, but there shouldn't be any sharp pain. Pay attention to your face. Notice if you are unconsciously clenching the jaw or tensing the face muscles. Soften your face, the forehead, cheeks and jaw. Slowly make your way out of this pose. Straighten your right leg. And find a comfortable cross-legged seat. Cross your ankles or shins. Sit up nice and tall. Relax your hands on the knees. Close your eyes for a moment just to feel the area around your lower back and hips. Notice if you feel a bit more space and lightness there. Inhale, reach your arms up to the sky. Exhale, hands together to your heart. And open the eyes to finish this class. Thank you for practicing with me today. I wish you a lovely day and see you in the next video. Bye!